Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir from scratch. Making your own kefir at home is a rewarding process, providing a delicious and probiotic-rich drink. You'll need just a few simple items to get started: active kefir grains, fresh milk, and some basic kitchen tools. This method ensures a consistent and healthy batch every time, allowing you to enjoy homemade kefir regularly. To begin, place about 1 tablespoon of active kefir grains into a clean glass jar. Then, pour in 1 to 2 cups of fresh milk. You can use whole, 2%, or even skim milk. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or a breathable cloth, securing it with a rubber band. Allow this mixture to ferment at room temperature for approximately 24 to 48 hours, depending on your desired tanginess. Once your kefir has fermented to your liking, it's time to harvest it. Gently stir the contents of the jar to ensure an even consistency. Place a non-metal sieve over a clean bowl or jar and pour the fermented milk through it. The thick, creamy liquid that passes through is your fresh kefir, ready to be enjoyed. The kefir grains will remain in the sieve, ready for their next batch. Proper care of your kefir grains ensures a continuous supply of homemade kefir. After straining, immediately transfer the grains into fresh milk to start your next batch. If you need a break, place the grains in a small amount of fresh milk in a sealed container and refrigerate them for up to 1 week. Healthy, well-fed grains will grow and multiply, providing you with extra grains to share with friends.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.